This is Olusegun, an engineer representing Tanfon here. This is 30 kVA solar inverter, and this is the ground mounted solar panel, as you can see. And this is the control room here. We have inverter, we have the batteries, the lithium batteries, and they are working perfectly, very good quality. And the solar panel is so superb, and we have it has been installed and perfectly okay. And as you can see, the lithium battery is one of the best, at least from the work we have seen. Really, here it has been installed, and we are here just maintenance, and with everything, both maintenance, installation, is being done. And the Tanfon, they are very reliable, and after sales is the maintenance is very is free, almost free, and they are very good. And I want as many that can buy their product to buy. Installation, everything will be done, carried out with expert, engineer, and maintenance after that also will be maintained by Tanfon. Tanfon is a very good company, reliable company. Their products are good, and after sales too, they are very good in attending to customers. All the customers should get the solar panel, the battery, they have a bit of battery, gel, tubular, lithium, as many, and you will not regret of having it. Thank you.